Hi guys, Brian here today. Me and my grandma are gonna harvest some potatoes. Please like and subscribe if you want us to make more videos, and enjoy! Wow, look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Look at that! That looks... Oh my! Look at that big one! Got some small ones, yeah? Look at those! Those look so big! I didn't even know that potatoes can grow that big! Wow! That was the first one. And now, let's look at the second one. Oh my! Well, doesn't have that much, but it was okay. Let's look at the third one. Maybe there's some underneath. Wow! Look at that! I didn't know it was that big. Look at that! Wow! Oh my god! Is there any more? It's the second one, I guess. Now let's look at the third one. Let's see. Oh my! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Look at that! How many potatoes is that? That's like 6 or something. Wow! Those are really big potatoes, if you ask me. Okay, let's look at the fourth one. Okay, where's the fourth one? Let's look at it. Okay, where is it at? Let's see. Oh my! Oh my! Well, it doesn't have that much, but look at that! Look at that! Oh my god! Oh my! Wow! That is impressive! Okay, let's look at the fifth or sixth one. What? Yo! What? Look how big that was! Oh my gosh. That's like super big. And we will probably use that potatoes for my grandma to make my favorite vegetable, my favorite dish, adobo. Put it on the adobo pork, put on the potatoes. Wow, that is so good. Those are my favorite vegetables. Now let's look at her pick it up. Now I'm gonna get the bucket to put the potatoes on. Oh wait, I forgot. There's still some stuff over there. There you go, with a little bit of editing magic. I removed it. This is me picking up some potatoes. That's me right there. Picking up some potatoes. Alright. Look at me do awesome. Oh my! The potatoes are almost even filling up the whole bucket. Wow! That's how much potatoes there are. Is it gonna fill the whole bucket? Oh my! Here I'm getting the small ones. Alright. I thought I didn't get some more, but I got some more. And it's time to bring it on to the house to do some cleaning. Let's go. Here we go. Let's bring this. Come inside and wash this inside. That's a big bunch of potatoes. This is before and this is after. Alright guys, see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos. Goodbye.